Hello students, let's start Max NCERT. Chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. Now next page number 85, making a circle with a rope. Ariba decided to use nails and a thread to make a circle on the ground. So what she decided to make a circle? So she decided by making a circle, a nail and a rope. So she took a thin rope and tied nails on both the ends of the rope. So what she did? She took a rope and she tied a nail on the both the end of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend and she called her friend to for help. Look at the picture and see how they are making the circle. So here is the picture how Ariba is sitting in the middle and she is holding the one end of the rope which was tied by a nail, and her friend is making a circle with help of a rope in other end which is tied by a nail. So can you also make a circle with a rope and a nails like Ariba? Yes, we also can make a circle. Do the activity in a small groups. Each group should take a rope of a different length. See the circle made by different groups. So first we will give the name. By Rani's group the circle is made by by this way, by Molu's group, then by Rahul's group. So they are made the circle with help of a rope which are of different length. So Rani made a circle, the rope circle with help of a rope which is having a smaller length. Then Molu made the circle with help of a rope which has the medium length. Then Rahul made the circle with help of a rope which has a bigger length. So which group made the smallest circle? So circle drawn by Rani's group is the smallest circle. How long was the rope? So now we have to write all the length of the rope. So Rani's group 2 meter, the rope length is 2 meter. Molu's group they used 5 meter length of the rope. Then Rahul's group they used 8 meter length of the rope. Now first we will see the definition of radius. Now what is radius? Already you have studied in chapter number 13 geometry, okay, about circle. In that you have studied radius, diameter, chord, everything. Now once again we will see a segment whose endpoint are the center of a circle and a point on the circle. Means a line segment whose endpoint is one on the point on the circle and one on the center of the circle, it is known as a radius. Okay, this is known as a radius. Now does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Same page. Why is it so? Yes, it can make a bigger circle. This is a because longer rope act as a bigger radius. Okay, so we will get a bigger radius, and circle made by the longest rope is the biggest circle. The length of rope used is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. So in the circle this is a radius. They are making with the rope. So the rope is the radius of the circle. What was the radius of the smallest circle? So the smallest circle radius was 2 meter. The rope was of 2 meter. So the radius was 2 meter. Now the page number 86. Draw the radius of this bangle using a ruler. Measure the length of the radius. Now here bangle one circle is given, so we have to draw a radius. So with help of the ruler, we can draw one endpoint in the center of the circle and other endpoint on the circle. So this is the radius. Now see what your friends have drawn. Discuss the length of the radius they measured. Is it the same as yours? So the radius of this bangle is 2 centimeters. So now we will measure the radius with ruler. So the measure was 2 centimeter. Draw the radius of this circle. Guess which circle has the longer radius. So two circles are given. Now we have to draw the radius. So one radius, how we will draw? One endpoint in the center of the circle, the point, and other endpoint on the circle. So this is the smaller circle radius and this is the longer circle radius. So here the radius of bigger circle is the longer. So the bigger circle will get the longer radius. Measure the radius of both the circle using a ruler. Write the length of their radius. So we have drawn the radius. So measure the radius of both the circle using a ruler. Write the length of their radius. Now we have to measure the radius and we have to write their measure. So first radius of the green circle, then radius of the blue circle. So we will write the answer. So radius of the green circle is of 1 centimeter. This is a smaller circle, so it will have the radius of 1 centimeter. Then radius of the blue circle is 1.8 centimeter. Same page. Find out. Measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or a measuring tape. So now we have to find out the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart with help of a thread or a measuring tape. So the radius of the wheels of a bicycle is 14 inches. The radius of the wheels of a bullock cart is 22 inches. So bicycle compared to bullock cart wheel, bicycle wheel is smaller. Are all the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart of the same radius? All the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart are not of the same radius. They have different radius depending upon the size of the bicycle or the bullock cart. So it will depend on the size of the wheel. Have you seen a tractor or a roller? Have you seen, children? Yes, I have seen both. So here is the picture of tractor and here is the picture of roller. Now same page. Last question. Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? So the biggest wheel I have ever seen is the wheel of a merry-go-round. Okay. So you can see merry-go-round in a fair. So it will having the biggest wheel. Are all wheels of a tractor or road roller of the same radius? No, the wheels of a tractor or a road roller do not have the same radius. Their back wheels are bigger. Now next page, page number 87. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with ropes. Who are the Lali and Kali? They are two goats. Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? Now they are asking who can look for more grass to eat? Whose rope was long? That is Kali. So Kali can look for more grass to eat as she has a longer rope. Now Daljit's design. Daljit has made this design using a compass. Now what is compass? You have already learned about this compass. Compass means rounder. With help of rounder we can make a circle. Yes? Okay. His sister came and started making more designs with him. So with help of rounder in a circle we can make a different designs also. Do you want to make such designs? To make such designs you will need to use a compass. Now page number 88, using a compass. Compass means rounder. At one end point, one side we will put pencil and with help of one end point we will make a circle. Have you seen a compass before? How will you use this to make a circle? So open your compass, press the tip of the compass on the paper, hold the compass from the top. Without moving the tip, try to move the pencil around. Do you get a circle? Yes, we can get a circle. Now look for a mark where you had kept the tip of the compass. This mark is the center of your circle. So mark will be at the center of the circle. Is this circle better than the one you made earlier without a compass? Draw the radius of this circle and measure it. So answer, yes, this circle is better than the earlier circle which was drawn without using the compass. Okay, with the help of compass we will draw the circle. It was proper. Okay, without using compass that was not good. So the radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. Now you can make your own design like Daljit had made. How many did you make? Guess how this design has been made. Use a compass to make a similar one in this box. So I can make several designs, some of them given here. So with help of rounder we can make a several designs like this. Okay, you can draw. Now guess how this design has been made. Use a compass to make a similar one in this box. So you have to make a similar like this design in the box. So see how we will draw this design. So first we will draw the outer circle with help of a rounder. We will keep a end point in the center of the circle and we will draw the circle with help of a pencil. Okay, now from center and this much radius we will measure with help of a scale. If this much radius is of 2 centimeter, so we will make it a half. So 2 centimeter half is 1 centimeter, so we will keep here the center of the rounder and we will draw this circle, and same way we will measure this radius and we will make it half, means 2 centimeters, so that is 1 centimeter, and we will draw the circle this. So now we have to draw this circle, this type of design. So what we will do, this, see, it look like a yes, from here to this look like a S, so we will drop this side, so we will get a this design.